everyone! In this tutorial I will be doing a sugaring design. I start by applying 2 coats of I-51 Dark Noir, curing each layer, and then apply a coat of rock top coat. Once this is cured, I thoroughly remove the tacky layer with cleaner. I then take some Mega Flexi top coat on my striping brush and draw a stripe down the centre of the nail. While this is still wet, I sprinkle Ilona Editions glitter on top, tap off the excess and tidy up the line with a dry gel brush. I then cure this for 60 seconds in the LED lamp and wipe off any excess glitter with the duster brush.